Hey, Intro to Fashion and Interior Design. So you've got this kit now, and it's like, what am I supposed to do with this big piece of fabric and this hoop? First, if you can, iron this so that it has gotten rid of the wrinkles. Second, if you've never used one of these hoops, you'll notice that it has like this little device up at the top, and it's a screw. And all you have to do to get these to come apart is to unscrew them. So make it loose. You don't want to unscrew it all the way. And then the inner circle goes underneath your fabric. You can just kind of center it. Put the larger hoop with the screw on top, and you can see it fits like this. Then you want to tighten this down to where it is not going to come off, and then get rid of any of the wrinkles. And you want it pretty taut on here. You don't want a lot of loose fabric in, so you can pull fabric around. Now, if this is the only thing that you're missing, you didn't want to come into school and get a hoop, I found on Pinterest probably an alternative, which is what you heard fall on the floor. And they had taken around cheap, this is not Tupperware or anything, or even Rubbermaid, it's no name. Take the top, and if you cut out along the lip right here, cut out this inner circle, and then cut off this part of the container, you'll have just this outer rim of the lid and the outer rim of the container, and you could use that as your embroidery hoop. It's way smaller, but that's fine. So we are going to learn how to do stitches on this. I've included somebody else's video so you don't have to keep listening to my voice, and I want you to practice some of those stitches on here. She had lines drawn. I would draw them really lightly with a pencil. That will definitely help you. And I want you to know these stitches because if you look at the samples that are included in Google Classroom, you'll see some jeans, which are very trendy right now to have embroidered jeans, that I've included, just to give you some inspiration. I looked on Pinterest, and I like peonies. Those are a flower. So I was looking for some samples. I found this one. This is just a printout of it, and I kind of like that. And then I found this sample, and I thought this is pretty cool, so I blew it up. And my printer still has no ink, really, or has some ink. Printed it out, and then what I would do is draw it on my jeans. And I have an old pair of jeans that I'm going to use and draw that pattern on. So once we get past doing a sample work, which I would like to see your sample work, take a picture of it, turn it in or share it with me so that I can look at it, and I don't know, it might be like, I have to think about it, 15, 20 points, and then we'll get to a big project, and I'll be doing my big project along with you on this pair of jeans that I got forever ago and are my favorite. So have fun.